Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing this is in regards to a Keurig coffee maker. It makes kind of a weird noise and it doesn't want to do any more coffee. So I'm just going to plug it in real quick. And you can hear the noise that it makes. But it does it constantly and it doesn't want to stop. Okay, and the reason it does that noise and doesn't want to do the coffee is, I don't know if you can see here, I have the cover removed and you can see that little suction cup there, or hose or whatever it's called. You just have to block it. Okay, and while you hold your finger there on the suction on the bottom, it'll, I guess, suck out whatever air is in there, and now it's ready to brew. So just put everything back. Oh, okay, so now it should be okay. Yeah, so if you have any issues of it not wanting to brew anymore, it could be like that suction, something gets caught in there or it just has to get blown out or whatever. But after I did that, it starts working again. So hopefully this video helps you out. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.